Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's tech tip. So in my previous tech tip, I spoke about the panel split optimization tool, where we can break larger panels into shorter lengths. Today, we're going to take a very quick look at a new tool which was added to MWF Build 8444 and is also in MWF Build 8560. The tool I'm referring to is the Merge Combine Panels tool. This tool is split into two separate functions, as the name suggests. So one of the functions allowing us to combine panels and the other allowing us to merge panels. So we can merge and combine two adjacent panels, which can be of different wall types, and can also be panels which are split using the split markers. So first of all, let's take a look at the combine tool. So to find the combine tool, we'll go to our MWF tab, into our wall module, and in the edits panel at the bottom of the list, you'll see we have the Merge Combine Panels tool. I can click on the tool and that will initiate the process of combining or merging our panels. We don't need to select a panel beforehand, because once we click on the tool, we can then choose the label of two panels or a member from each panel, and then we can say finish to allow that to start the process. So I'm going to select panel 1 and panel 2 from this wall. It's going to tell me now to choose a main panel. So which panel would I want to make the main panel? And this will affect how the members are placed and the numbering throughout the panel as well when the panel is combined. So I'll click OK, and I'm going to choose panel 1. And it's going to ask me, would you like to combine or merge the panels? So I'm going to choose combine in this case. And you can see now that when I've clicked combine, the label for panel 2 has been removed. And if I go to my plan view, you'll see here in a bit more detail that we have only one label, which is associated with this combined panel. So if we take a closer look at the panel, you'll see that we have our E1 stud, which is the starting stud of our panel. And we have the end stud of the original panel 1. And you can see we've got the value E2 there. You can also notice that the starting stud for our panel 2, which was originally placed next to panel 1, still remains, and this time it has the value E4, but it would usually have the value E1 as it's a new panel. But as this has been added to the original panel, you can see it's been given a number, meaning it's been added to the panel. And on the opposite side, the end stud is going to be E4, as the label suggests here. You'll also see that the panels and members are pinned, so they stay in the right location when the panel is regenerated. Okay, so you can see that it's combined the panel, keeping all the members in place and maintaining the positions of those members. Now we'll take a look at the merge tool, and you can see within this wall we have panel 3 and panel 4, and these panels have been split using a split marker, as you can see in the middle here. So again, I'm going to go into my MWF tab, go into the edits panel, and at the bottom of the list, I'm going to activate the Merge Combine Panels tool. Again, I'm going to select the two labels of the panels I want to merge, and I'm going to designate panel 3 as the main panel. This time, rather than choose combine, I'm going to merge the panels. And you'll notice that when I merge the panels, that split marker separating those two panels has disappeared. And the members throughout these panels have been evenly distributed, just to make sure that the spacing is maintained. You'll also notice that the additional end studs have been removed, and that this panel is now treated as one continuous panel. So we have an E1 stud on the left, and on the right hand side we have an E2 stud, just like we would usually have with a normal panel. None of these members are pinned, but you'll notice that the members range from S1 all the way up to S14. So that was the combine and merge panels tool. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.